Hello everyone. Ano ang main policy for PCO accreditation? The main policy, ito pong DENR Administrative Order 2014-02 dated February 3, 2014 at ang title nito ay Revised Guidelines for Pollution Control Officer Accreditation. Ang lahat ng establishments ay covered ng department order na ito na kailangan merong accredited pollution control officer. Especially those establishments that are potential source of environmental pollution. Ang unang gagawin ay dapat merong appointed PCO sa company as exemplified in Section 7. Sa Section 7 ng DAO 2014-02, dapat ang managing head or yung highest executive officer ay mag-a-appoint ng kanyang PCO to monitor the activities, products, or services that can become source of environmental pollution. And then, after na ma-appoint ang isang PCO, kailangan mag-secure ng accreditation. Sa Section 8 ng Department Order na ito, tumutukoy mismo sa accreditation of the PCO. Kailangan 15 days after appointment mag-secure ng accreditation. Ang pag-secure ng accreditation ay sa EMB Regional Office at magbabayad ng 500 pesos kapag nabigyan na ng order of payment. After satisfying all the requirements for accreditation, ano yung mga basic requirements? Appointment letter as PCO, curriculum vitae of the PCO, the notarized affidavit of joint undertaking of the PCO and the managing head. Also, the proof of the appointee's qualification, such as certificate of training of basic PCO training. And for Category B establishments, include the valid PRC license. At syempre, yung managing head na tinatawag nating highest executive officer ay dapat meron ding 8 hours training on environmental management. Kailangan yung certificate of training din ng managing head. So, ang DAO 2014-02 ang pinaka-specific guideline para sa accreditation ng isang pollution control officer. You can download this of course sa ating internet browser at pwede nating pag-aralan pa yung ibang provision nito. That's it. So to become an accredited PCO, we must comply with the requirements of DAO 2014-02, otherwise the revised guidelines for PCO accreditation.